So you can see the floor's down now and all the plumbing's in. The floor's down permanently, it's screwed down, 127 screws in that floor. There's insulation under it, you can see a bit of insulation there. And yeah, everything's good to go. One slight mistake, forgot to put shutter valves for the bath here, but that's not an issue. You can see just down here there's a cutout, and we've got isolation valves down there, so we'll just turn it off and just put some valves there. That's the waste of the bath. Here we've got the waste for, was it the washing machine, because this area here is going to be the utility, and then you've got a cold rising pipe there for the washing machine. For the sink, under that green piece of MDF is the toilet. We've got the radiator in, and we've got waste over there and electricity for the boiler, except the boiler's not moving in here anymore, so I didn't need to do that, but no problem. Bring it back round, so well, it's a bit, can't really get it all in the shot, but you can see we've started putting in the wall that separates the bathroom from the utility room. So the sole plate is in tight, and that upright there is in. You know, our new stud wall isn't perpendicular to this wall. So what I've done is cut a load of wedges. So that this will be, you can see the wedge there, so that will then put it flush against the wall so we can screw it to the wall easily. Well, at least that's the plan, and then we can get some plasterboard across it. So we've got, you can see here's the plasterboard. So you can see at the back we've got green for moisture resistant, and then on the utility room side we're just going with regular plasterboard. The wife is helping at the minute, so she'll be screwing this to the wall and probably helping with the rest of the stud work. Grab your big piece of wood. Keep going.
That split the wedge.
That's okay, keep going.
Okay.
Maybe don't screw it through the wedge on the next one.
Well, I thought that was the plan.
No, the wedges there was a spacer. It doesn't mean for us to screw through them.
No, if the screws are going in like that, I need to drill the hole like that, don't I?
Yeah, parallel with that, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good point. Well done, I've screwed that up.
You'd like to say.
Then I'd have sworn and just put the screws in anyway. Tiny bit wonky. That's fixed it. Right, come on then, let's get some more screws in.
There we go, nice dent in the wall.
Excellent. Nobody will notice. Right, that's good. Shall we offer up the top piece?
Should fit perfectly.
Perfect.
As I measured it.
Oh. No, we're going to screw up through here and then up into the seat.
Oh, okay.
Be like a builder. Just put screws in until you hit something.
Bit bends.
Yeah, I know it does. And if you bend it too much, it will snap. Change position though. You can definitely push that drill bit through that piece of wood.
You reckon?
Yes.
I'm not so sure. It's a bit offline. Oh, it's alright. That'll do. Perfect. Probably. I can fix it if you like. Right.
Now watch me accidentally snap this. Right. We got a screw?
So we're going to have the sort of raw edge of plaster up against the wall.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Take the precision piece of
Shower
cake and join your dots up. Yeah. Take your big knife on your biggest setting, because it only has one setting. I know. Yeah, that's it. And keep it, that's it, nice and flat, because it will be more in control. Yeah. So give it a first. No, come on, more.
Sorry,
much more braver.
Okay, well you speak and then I'll do it.
Yeah. So score it down once to cut the paper, and then score it again to cut some of the plasterboard, and then score it again until you. Yeah. Don't try and do it all in one go, because you'll cut your arm off. But faster. Come on, much faster. Much faster. Much faster. Out of the way, we'll
Rinse, repeat.
yeah, rinse, repeat, and lug out, and I'll see if I can catch this on video. Right. So what you want to do here, because we don't want to damage the floor,
Let's go up.
I want to stand this side and cut up. Yeah. Now, let's see if I can. So normally what we do is lift it away from the wall, and then, you know, like me, where you would hold it, and then you just hit the back,
Yeah.
and it will snap down the score line,
Yeah.
and then the paper's left, and
You just rip the paper, cut the paper.
well, you try and cut the paper, but
Yeah.
normally tears. But I think on this one, because normally you can do it on the floor, if we lift it carefully to the corner there, we can probably
use the
just
corner as
use
the-
the corner. Don't forget this pipe.
I was going to say, mind the pipe work. Before you said corner, I was worried you were going to try and use my pipe work. You've got to be kidding me.
Right. Shall we try that? Can we?
We can't. That is now up against the pipe.
There we go.
Ah,
Snapped it. Right.
well that was very undramatic.
Yeah, well that was the plan. What, you letting you put the shot up and film it?
Why?
You put the ladder right in your hand.
Okay.
Keep going, no, keep going.
Enough job with DIY, let alone DIY and video.
Okay, now do from the bottom. Yeah, and just rasp for all you're worth. Definitely not my strong suit.